2007 Mazda 3 blower motor replacement. There are a couple of tricks that you're going to want to know before you tackle this job, and I'm going to try to show this to you real quick. Couldn't find a good video out there, so I guess it's time to make my own. So to get this blower motor out, it's really dumb, but let me show you what you have to do. So you have to remove the glove box. There's this trim piece up here, just pops in right across this section here. There are two screws there and there, and the whole glove box just pops out. Once you get that out, there is a piece, this guy right here, that you have to take out. It is held in with 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3 screws there that hold that guy in place. Once that's out, you can see there's a hole and the blower motor sits in there. Now, the thing is, you also have to come over here, and I took the brake pedal assembly and the gas pedal assembly out of this side so that you can see it. That's the hole where it pops through. But here's the part that I couldn't find anywhere else on the internet, and that's why you have to take apart both sides. So you have to take apart the driver's side underneath where the pedals are. There's a lock ring that you have to take off, and then there's the vent hose that connects to it that keeps air flowing through the motor so it doesn't overheat. You gotta take the vent hose off, you gotta disconnect the electrical connection, and you gotta take that lock ring off, and then the motor and fan assembly comes out through the passenger side. That's why you gotta take the passenger side out. So it's really dumb. The book calls for 5.2 hours. I got the whole thing apart in about an hour. It's a giant pain, and if you don't have to do it, I would recommend not. That being said, paying a shop 5 hours is a lot of money, and I also wouldn't want to do that. So that's how you do it. That's kind of the gist of it there. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, give it a like so that it can spread to more people, and we'll see you guys in the next video.